So in this video, I'm going to make this simple toy mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. So basically, I'm going to make all this in assembly mode. Okay. So first go to the assembly, click on insert components, click on new part, select the top plane. Okay. Now press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now let's start. So first we are going to use rectangle. Just you can make your own custom type if you want. Instead of triangle, I have a better idea. Let's use this and draw line like this. I want to teach you some new tricks. So learn from this. That's 130, and the length is 100. This one is 50. Let's make from here to here is 0. Okay. Now select these two lines. Select this line, make it construction. Select this line, make it construction. Now what I'm going to do is, where is the offset in it is, select this one and this one, make it bidirectional. Now click on cap ends. So you see I got cap ends. Click OK. So assume this, if I try to make this by rectangle, I have to give lot of dimensions, blah blah blah, lots of troubles. I saved me from all this crappy work. Okay, so it's a lazy work, but you can say it's a smart work. Okay. And if any Indian is watching this channel, I recommend please subscribe my other YouTube channels. Link in descriptions. Those even are foreigners, those who speak English, I recommend please check out my new channel. Link in description. You will learn a lot of things from there. I'm starting uploading videos from day by weekly, one or two videos. So please go and check out my new channels. You will learn a lot of things about engineering. Okay, they are engineering channels, so they will provide knowledge about engineering things. Now I will go to the mirror entities. Select this mirror about this line. Click OK. Go to the features, extrude. Let's say 10 mm. Click OK. So we have created one part. Now let's work on another part. So again, click on insert components. Click on new part. Select the front plane. Uh, uh, Exit the sketch mode. Instead of front, select the top plane. Click on here, sketch. Now I will make circle, two circle basically. So let's make this circle 10 mm and this one 20 mm, and extrude to 30 mm. Select this face, click on sketch, click on here, draw this entity. So the distance is 80 mm. Let's say make it bigger, 120 mm, 10 mm. From here to here it is 0. Let's draw two circles. Ten mm. Click on here, click on extrude, click on reverse direction, 10 mm. Click OK. Okay. And one more thing I have to do is select this face, click on sketch, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. what it is. Let's make it 20 mm. And here also let's make it 20 mm instead of 30. Just like this. And this one will be 10 mm, not 20 mm. Exit the adjustment component mode. Move this part. Press Ctrl D, duplicate it. By pressing Ctrl, I right click on this and drag it. Okay, not Ctrl plus D. Sorry for that. Now I have to make similarly by pressing Ctrl, right click on this mouse and drag it. Click on here, new part, front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. I'm deleting this mate. A question is why I'm doing that. The reason is that I need to draw a sketch. So I need to be at exactly at this plane. So that is the reason I'm deleting this. Okay. That I've deleted that distance mate. Now here comes the part. So click on here. Oh no. Now we'll go to the top plane. Click on sketch. Now I will draw a circle. I need to make sure that it coincide. Click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Now what I will do, go to the mates, advanced mates, path mate, component vertex. So select this path selection, select this circle, click OK. Now go to the motion study, click on motor. As you can see that path motor is not here. So go to Solidworks add-in, click on Solidworks motion. Now go to the motion analysis, click on motor again. You can see path motor. This is basically what I want. So in path motor, basically you will select the path mate. Okay. So go downwards, select the path mate. Okay. Now it is asking what will be the speed. Let's say 10 mm per second. Okay. Click OK and click on play. Uh, I think the motor speed is quite low. So right click on it, click on edit feature. Instead of 20, let's say 50. Click OK. Click on play. Click on calculated. Okay. On 50, it's just go up to here. Let's increase the time frame to 10 seconds. Now click on calculate again. Okay, time frame doesn't go to the 10 seconds. Okay, select this one and move this to 10 seconds. Okay, now it will go to the 10 seconds. Okay, so this is how we got the animation. Now currently it's quite ugly and not cool. So let's make it a little bit cooler. So go to the model components. Let's select this one. Go to the assembly. Click on edit feature. Select this face. Click on sketch. Select this. Click on convert entities. Draw a circle from here. Hmm, let's make it 5 mm. I guess 5 mm will be fine. Click OK. Exit it. And you see this one is got opposite face. So what I can do is select this component. Go here and look at this mates. So here is mates. So I need the circular one, but I don't need this one. Okay. So what I can also do is go to the first right click on it and delete this mate, this one. Now right click on this, go to the features and click on here, click OK and OK. So but they are interfering, so I think I need to change extrusion width. So select this one, click on edit feature, right click, edit, 2.5 I guess or 3, click OK. uh, there's still some space room here, so 3.5 I will think will do the work. Yeah, 3.5 is fine. So now what we will do, we will do some coloring thing. So let's see how to do it. So go here, appearances, metal, polished steel, and I will go to the view display and click on real view graphics. So yeah, in that way you can make this animation. So if you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Okay, and make sure you guys subscribe my new channels, as that will basically motivate me to create more contents.